Hey, let's get a diagram down here. Let's draw a rectangle and I've got PQRS. PQ is a shorter side, so let me make this P and this Q, length 2, and then RS here. This will be 4. We're then told I've got point T and U, and they lie inside the rectangle such that PQT and RSU are equilateral triangles. So it's going to look a bit like this, where this is 2 and this is 2. And similarly over here, that was point T and this is point U. This is 2 and this is 2. We're then told to find the area of QRUT. So this shape. Alrighty. So I think the thing to do next is to, right, we've got the height. This is a trapezium. I suppose there's a couple ways of doing it. We could find the area of the rectangle and then minus the two triangles and then divide by 2. That would work. Or we could go directly for the trapezium. If I know the height is going to be 1 because it's halfway, the base is 4, so we just need to work out this bit. Okay, I can do that because I have this length is also 1, and so this triangle is a right angle triangle, 2 and 1. So this length is going to be 2 squared minus 1 squared, square rooted. It's going to be root 3. So this green length is going to be 4, because that's the length, minus root 3 from here, but then minus another root 3 from here. So it's actually going to be 4 minus 2 root 3. And so the area is going to be, remember the area of a trapezium, by the way, is a half a plus b times h. A and b are the two parallel sides. So it's going to be a half times 4 minus 2 over 3 plus 4. And then I'm going to times by 1. So the times by 1 doesn't actually do anything. It's going to be a half, 8 minus 2 over 3. And now I can just half both terms. It's going to be 4 minus root 3. So the answer is D. Let's just look about like another way we could have done it. And by the way, you didn't actually need to use Pythagoras. You could use trigonometry, use the fact that this is going to be 60 degrees to work out that length, but you'd have to know your exact values of trig, which is something to learn. But it's a bit, it's not actually necessary in this question, but that would be one way of getting that root 3. So the other way, like I said, is to find the area of the rectangle. So that would be 8, 4 times 2, and then minus the two triangles. So it would be 2 lots of a half times the base, 2, times the height, which is root 3. And that will give you both of the trapezia. So then I would just need to divide that by 2. Actually, this is the way I did it when I did the question originally. And it's particularly good if you can't remember the formula for the area of a trapezium. So the 2.5 cancel, so I'm left with 8 minus 2 root 3 over 2. And again, we can have both terms, so I'm going to get 4 minus root 3 again. So do two different methods, same answer. I hope you're happy with that.